Hello again guys, today I will show you how to get a Hunter helicopter in GTA Vice City via test, Wait a minute, so dark, right? There you go. If you look there, look at that.
Minsan ka na nga niya hindi makarating, kaya medyo lumuluha-luha siya kanina, pero hindi niya po alam na kapiling natin ngayon ang kanyang mismong mama at papa. Ano pakiramdam niyo ngayon? Ha? Kaya? Ilang kita na magandang nakita. Oh, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. 5 or 6 years na, may nakikita. Pero nag-uusap-usap pa kayo sa phone. Samantala, sa loob, iginagawad na ang mga certificate.
There is a Hunter helicopter.
Hindi pa napapawi ang lungkot ni Glenda.
You guys see that helicopter? There, the helicopter. There's the mission Skywalk. If you get that mission, if you do not like that mission, just press double up. It will not break your flying jump. Look. Press O if you make missile, and press square if you like to bang bang. If you want to get a Hunter helicopter, you must pass the old mission and the final mission named Last Hunt. That's all guys. Please subscribe.